If your PC doesn't perform correctly, it's because your settings in the NVIDIA control panel are wrong. Today, I will show you the best settings to increase FPS while maintaining decent graphics. First, right-click on your desktop and select the NVIDIA control panel. Here, head to Adjust Image Setting with Preview, and make sure to check Use the Advanced 3D Image Setting. Then go to Manage 3D Setting. These settings may not be the same for all computers, but today I will show you only the most important ones. So turn off image scaling. This option is used to prevent games from being blurry but does not help to increase FPS. Instead, if you want, you can replace this setting with image sharpening option. Let me show you how. Type on the search bar Registry Editor. Here, paste the folder path you will find in description below. Press Enter and look for Enable GR535. Click it and change the value data from 1 to 0. Now you can close this windows, and going back to the NVIDIA control panel, you will now see image sharpening instead of image scaling. Turn it on and set sharpen to 0.7% and ignore film grain to 0.1. For the ambient occlusion option, we will turn it off, because you can decide for each application you run if you want this option on or off in the game settings. I recommend to turn off all the anti-aliasing option, because this will increase your frame rate and don't impact the graphics that much. Scrolling down, we can find low latency mode. Turn this on. Ultra is not so recommended by the community because it causes weird stuttering problems sometimes. Keep max frame rate off, because nowadays every game on the market comes with a max frame rate setting in the in-game settings, so you can test it and see which one is the best in different games. Then click on Power Management Mode and select Normal. This might sound strange because everyone says to select Prefer Maximum Performance, but all it does is make your GPU run at full power even when you don't need it. Therefore, the best setting is Normal. Now you can click Apply at the bottom right. In the Change Resolution area, just make sure you are running the highest refresh rate possible for your monitor. Then the only thing I recommend on the Adjust Desktop Color Setting tab is to change the digital vibrance. This by default would be set at 50%. So increase it by 20 or 25% will fix some bad colors that you might get with a cheap monitor. I hope this video has helped you. And also remember that by subscribing, you can be the first to have access to my next optimization videos.